To demonstrate Xtreme Green XPL 101 penetrating spray with XPL Plus technology, we use a triple cross-axis friction machine which tests film strength in oils and lubricants. An inch-pound torque wrench applies pressure between a tapered roller bearing and a spinning race. An amp gauge shows how much power is being drawn when pressure is applied on the torque wrench. When 6 pounds of pressure is applied, we get 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch at point-to-point contact. When the needle reaches all the way over to the other end of the torque wrench, there is 200,000 pounds per square inch at point-to-point contact. First, we demonstrate the top-selling spray lubricants on the market, starting with this well-known brand. With only a fingerful of pressure, equivalent to just 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch, the machine stops and the product fails. Now we'll try this industrial-grade spray lube. And again, it also fails, with just a fingerful of pressure, or about 4,000 pounds per square inch. Not much improvement. Here's another well-known product. It also goes up in smoke in just seconds. Now, our XPL Plus bonding technology is attracted to heat and friction. Watch what happens when we apply the maximum amount of pressure and grind the bearing and race to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit and apply XPL 101. Immediately, the noise stops. And this time we can pull the torque wrench all the way to the end and look at the gauge. That's 200,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. And still we can't stop the test machine, no matter how long we hold it there. Now we apply water. And you can hear how hot it is. Even underwater, we can pull it to over 200,000 pounds. Take a look at the blue discoloration on the bearing. This indicates over 500 degrees of heat, which removed the temper on the bearing. Compare that bearing to this one with Xtreme Green XPL 101 alone. Now that's extreme protection. To further demonstrate the protection of Xtreme Green XPL 101, and we recommend you do not try this at home, we disconnect the electrical cords and spray both ends with XPL 101. Then reconnect them. The machine is on. As we know, water and electricity do not mix, but with the terminals visible, we can put it underwater and the machine continues to run. Now that's real protection. Xtreme Green XPL 101 penetrating lubricant, the best tool in the box. To demonstrate Xtreme Green engine life treatment with XPL Plus technology, first let's try a leading motor oil. With only a fingerful of pressure on the torque wrench, which is equivalent to about 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch, the machine stops and the oil fails. And look at the damage to the bearing in only a few seconds. Now some people use a high-end synthetic oil, usually about double the cost. And again, with only about 4,000 pounds per square inch of pressure, it also fails in just seconds. And not much improvement in the wear scar. Now we test Xtreme Green's engine life treatment added to any ordinary oil. And what a difference! This time we can pull the torque wrench all the way to the end. That's 200,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. And we still can't stop the test machine, no matter how long we hold it there. And the wear scar? It's nothing more than a burnish mark. In an extreme situation where you blow a head gasket, as little as 5% water in the system will cause catastrophic failure. So we pour an excessive amount of water with only the Xtreme Green engine life treatment technology bonding the metal, and the machine will not stop at over 200,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. Engine oil will get contaminated with dust and dirt, which finds its way into your oil, damaging your engine parts. So we add dirt to the water, and as you can see, the machine continues to run at over 200,000 pounds per square inch. Now we're not telling you to run an engine without oil, but in the mornings you have minimal lubrication at startup. Look what happens when we remove all of the oil the machine continues to run at over 200,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. There you have it, the superior protection and performance with Xtreme Green's engine life treatment. Technology so advanced, it comes with a free limited lifetime engine warranty. Shouldn't it be in your car? To demonstrate Xtreme Green Super Duty Oil Stabilizer with XPL Plus technology, first we try a top-of-the-line diesel-rated motor oil. With only a fingerful of pressure, equivalent to about 4,000 pounds per square inch, the machine stops, and the damage to the bearing happens in just a few seconds. And just look at the scar. To improve performance and protection, many consumers use thick additives like this one. Again, under the same conditions, it fails at 4,000 pounds per square inch, and there is still severe damage to the bearing. Now we test Xtreme Green's Super Duty Oil Stabilizer with XPL Plus technology with the same motor oil. And what a difference. This time we can pull the torque wrench all the way to the end. That's 200,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. And still we can't stop the test machine, no matter how long we hold it there. And now the wear scar is nothing more than a burnish mark. Xtreme Green Super Duty Oil Stabilizer. There's nothing like it for your high mileage gasoline engine that's smoking or leaking oil, and for any diesel engine. Why settle for anything less?